guys, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be having a look at some new skincare launches. I spotted a few new products on the Sephora website as well as a few new brands, and I thought I would share the products that I would consider purchasing, and then of course I'm going to be sharing the products that I would not purchase. So let's get right into it, but don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up as well. Alright, so the Inky List just came out with a new product and they recently launched their mandelic acid treatment. Now I love mandelic acid specifically from The Ordinary, and I have talked about this many times before. Great for all skin types, but including those that have sensitive skin, because mandelic acid contains a larger molecule size. So it's going to take longer to penetrate into the skin before it starts the exfoliation process. So it's very gentle and it's also very beneficial as well. So if you want something for a mild exfoliation or something to target dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation caused by acne, then perhaps you may want to have a look at the new Inky List mandelic acid treatment. So this one also has a 10% mandelic acid, no different than The Ordinary, but this one contains a 0.1% encapsulated retinol and a 2% glycerin. This texture is creamy, whereas with The Ordinary, it's more of that watery texture. So I can see this product being more moisturizing on the skin and maybe more gentle on the skin as well, especially if you have sensitive or let's say dry skin. This is definitely a product that I'm going to be trying out. This retails at $13.99 Canadian, so very affordable, and I'm very excited about this. So Summer Fridays has a new product, and this is their Dream Oasis Deep Hydration Serum. This is an oil-free, non-comedogenic jelly serum that hydrates, soothes, and is perfect for oily, blemish-prone, or sensitive skin types. Now, looking at the ingredient list, this is definitely a serum that may be really beneficial for those that have sensitive skin or is prone to skin irritations, because this contains a lot of common ingredients like colloidal oatmeal. We have glycerin, there's squalene in here, there's panthenol, we have ceramides, there's niacinamide, there's Centella asiatica extract, and honestly, the list goes on. So I'm very impressed with the ingredient list. I really do like everything that I see here, but it's a little expensive. This retails at $57 Canadian, and this is only a 30 ml size. So unless you're purchasing this during the Sephora sale or you're getting it on sale somewhere else, that's one thing, but I wouldn't spend $57 on this. I just wouldn't. But again, that's my own opinion, but it does sound lovely. So there's a new product here from the Sephora collection, and this is their AHA peeling masks. So it comes in 3 scents. So we have the papaya, we have the lemon, and we have the orange. Now, this is supposed to be a collection of facial peeling gel masks with a mix of fruit acids and extracts to deliver a new skin exfoliating effect for smoother skin in up to 10 minutes. Now, products like this don't excite me. They don't wow me at all, and a lot of the times these contain a lot of fragrance, and this one does contain fragrance, all 3 scents obviously. Great for normal combination oily skin, but if you have sensitive skin or you're sensitive to fragrance, of course this is going to be a hard pass. And there's a lot of extracts in here as well, which can be very bothersome to some skin types as well. So if you want something to exfoliate your skin, pick a direct acid that is suited for your skin type. So for example, if you have dry skin, I would go with lactic acid. If you have sensitive skin, I would go with mandelic acid. And if you have, let's say, combination skin, I would go with glycolic acid. Of course, a lot of skin types can use the same acids, but I would rather focus my time and my money on an acid that is designed for my skin type and for my skin concerns, rather than spending money on a $10 product that contains extracts and fragrance. You know what I mean? I will never purchase this, and I would never even attempt to try this, even if it was sent to me. It just doesn't appeal to me, and again, it can be very sensitizing on the skin. So this is a hard no for me. So Supergoop came out with a new sunscreen, and this is their Mineral Sheer Screen SPF 30. So this is a mineral formulation, and this one appealed to me right away because number one, I love the glow screen. I really love that for that glowy complexion, especially when I want something to shine through my makeup, giving me that extra glow and dewiness, but of course getting that extra protection. But this one here would be really nice, especially if you want something that is mineral but something that is sheer, that is not supposed to give you that white cast. So great for normal dry combination skin. This is going to be a product that will also protect your skin from blue light, according to Supergoop here. There's bamboo extract, which is going to provide antioxidant properties to help protect from free radical damage. And there's wild butterfly ginger, which helps protect skin from damage caused by blue light. So it contains a 1.33% titanium dioxide and a 17.42% zinc oxide. So this is a product that I will be trying. I'm going to be testing out some new sunscreens because every year I do this large sunscreen video in the spring. So this is one that I want to put to the test and to see how it wears by itself and of course underneath makeup. So I will be purchasing this, and it does come in 2 sizes. So I'm going to be purchasing the mini size. Right now it's sold out and it retails at $26 Canadian, and the larger size is $49 and you're getting 45 mils, whereas the mini is a 20 mil size. So I'm very excited about this one. So Glow Recipe came out with a sunscreen, and this is the Watermelon Glow SPF 50. This is a hybrid formulation, so it contains both chemical and mineral. And I'm very excited about this one in particular because this is going to be very similar to the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, the serum, but this is the sunscreen version. And you all know that I love this serum. I use it in my morning skincare routine, and I love it because it's moisturizing. It gives that beautiful glowy, dewy complexion, and I've never experienced pilling with that serum in particular. So maybe this sunscreen is going to replace my serum. There's no point of having both products. So if I can resort to the sunscreen instead and still achieve that dewy, glowy complexion, and of course not experiencing pilling, then I can see this sunscreen being a winner in my books. So I'm very excited to try it out because of course this contains the niacinamide, the hyaluronic acid, there's aloe in here, there's also that fragrance, so I'm sure it smells the exact same as the Dew Drops. So of course if you have sensitive skin, think twice before purchasing this, but it's great for oily combination, normal skin. If you have acne prone skin, I can see this being lovely as well because niacinamide can help with acne. And this is retailed at $45 Canadian for 50 mils. So it's not too bad. It's still expensive, yes, but it's not overly expensive. And of course, if you can get it on sale, then that's a bonus. So I will let you know in time how I like this. Bloom came out with a new product, and this is the Super Power Clay Mask. Now, I am not a fan of clay masks. I never have. Am I the only one? I don't know what it is with clay masks, but I just feel like they're very drying and they can make your skin feel super tight, and I really don't like that feeling. So for me personally, if you have oily combination skin or acne prone skin, then yes, clay masks can be very beneficial. But I find if you have normal to dry sensitive skin, I just feel like clay masks wouldn't be that beneficial. Unless you like using them, then that's another story. But I have normal to combination skin, and I don't like clay masks because they just make my skin feel so dry and tight. So this product here contains bentonite clay. It also contains 2 other types of clays as well. It's supposed to clarify, balance, and remove any impurities from the skin. So great if you have combination, oily, normal, and they're saying dry skin, but again, with dry skin, you probably don't need a clay mask. And it's perfect if your pores are enlarged and you have breakouts and acne. So if you like clay masks, then perhaps you may really like this. It also contains niacinamide, but for me personally, I'm going to pass on this, and this does retail at $42 Canadian, and you are getting 75 mils of product. So Sephora is now carrying the Clé de Peau Beauté brand. So they sell skincare as well as makeup, and I had never heard of this brand before until I saw it on Sephora a couple of weeks ago. Maybe a month tops it's been on there, but I spotted it maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I was immediately intrigued because of course I had never heard of the brand before. So I got looking at all of their products, and I gotta tell you, the packaging is absolutely beautiful, but very, very expensive. Some products are reasonable, they're not too bad, but they also carry a lot of products that are just outrageous in price. So there was a sunscreen on here that I saw. I will insert an image right here. It retailed around $168 Canadian, and it's an SPF 50. Honestly, I really didn't see anything extraordinary when it comes to the ingredient list. There was a lot of extracts, there was hyaluronic acid, and I just think $168 for sunscreen is just too expensive in my opinion. I mean, each to their own, but I just think it's really expensive. Now, their oil, there was an oil that was retailed at $210. I don't use face oils, but even if I did, I would never spend $210 on a face oil. I just wouldn't. And then there was a lip serum for $120 as well, and it was supposed to hydrate, plump, and moisturize the lips. Well, we can find a lot of affordable skincare products and lip products on the market that are way more affordable that could be just as effective, if not better. So I would never spend $120 on a lip serum either. So I'm gonna be passing on this skincare brand, but never say never. There might be a product one day that I may try, something that is reasonable in price, but for right now, I'm not going to be purchasing anything at the moment. And Youth to the People came out with a new serum, and this is their Retinol plus Niacinamide Youth Serum. Now, the reason why I was so drawn to this product is because I'm always looking for products to use on my neck area to treat fine lines, crepiness, to keep the skin nice and tight and smooth. I use prescription tretinoin on my face, but unfortunately I can't use it on my neck. So I do like to use retinols and sometimes retinaldehydes on my neck to treat that area as well, so that everything is being treated at the same time, but of course at different strengths and products. So this product in particular actually contains a retinaldehyde at a 0.15%. So retinaldehyde is a vitamin A derivative that will help with fine lines and wrinkles and texture, crepey skin. It works very similar to a retinol and a retinoic acid, which is your prescription tretinoin. So retinol is the first product that most people go with to start out because it's the most gentle type of vitamin A. And then retinaldehyde would be the next strength. And then of course, retinoic acid being your prescription tretinoin, being the strongest, which is why it's considered a medication in most countries. So I tried to find retinaldehydes to use on my neck because they work quicker, they can be a little bit more beneficial, but they can also be a little bit more irritating as well. And this one being at a 0.15%, I'm not sure how irritating or sensitizing this will be on the skin. Maybe it won't be at all, but that's why I really want to try this and see how it performs on my neck, my chest, and maybe even the tops of my hands. So this also contains squalene. This also has 5% niacinamide. There's a lot of other great ingredients in here to help soothe and calm the skin and moisturize the skin as well. This retails at $88 Canadian for 30 mils. So it is expensive, yes, but because it contains retinaldehyde and a lot of other great ingredients, I can justify the price. And the last product that I'm going to be talking about in this video is by Dr. Barbara Sturm, and this is the Better Be Niacinamide Serum. Now, I can honestly say that I have never tried anything from Dr. Barbara Sturm before, and the reason being is because I feel like her products are so overpriced, and if you have a look at her products and the ingredients, you can find very similar comparable products to hers that are way more affordable. So because of that, I never ventured out to try anything from this brand, and I don't plan on purchasing this product either because this retails at $190 Canadian for 30 mils, and this is a niacinamide serum, and honestly, you can find so many other better niacinamide serums, like from the Inky List, from Glow Recipe, from The Ordinary. Like, there are so many options nowadays. So when I saw that price tag, I thought, okay, what else is in the formulation? So there is also marine plankton extract, and this is going to support the skin barrier and boost hydration. Well, honestly, ceramides do the exact same thing. They help to strengthen and repair the skin barrier. They can help to prevent transepidermal water loss. So honestly, ceramides are very similar. And then of course this contains panthenol. Well, you can find panthenol in a lot of other skincare products as well, even drugstore skincare products. And this has kernel oil, there's sunflower seed oil in here, and that's really it. Like nothing else really appeals to me, and I just feel like this serum is just average and definitely not worth $190 in my opinion. So this is a hard no for me, but let me know if you've ever tried anything from Dr. Barbara Sturm before. Is there anything that you feel is worth the price tag? Let's get a conversation going in the comments section, but I really do hope that you guys found this video helpful and that you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you did like it, because of course I will create more videos like this in the near future. I will link all of the products that I shared in this video below for you as well for your reference. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and of course I will see you all in the next one. Take care, and I will see you guys then. Bye guys.